Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the language on the Seat Arona infotainment system. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Changing the infotainment system language is pretty easy once you know how. Follow the steps to learn how to do it. Press the menu button to the right of the screen. Then tap System. Choose Language from the options. Scroll down to the language that you would like to change to and tap it to select it. The language will change immediately. As you can see, my infotainment system is now in Spanish. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Seat Arona tips and tricks.